Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by booking an Aadhaar biometric update appointment and gathering essentials. This saves time. Once you have the slot, bring your original photo ID, the appointment slip, and the mobile that receives OTPs. Make sure you have the small update fee ready and any consent forms signed. Staff may ask. Arrive early so staff can check documents. Once they verify your ID, they will register you in their system and call you in for fingerprint or iris capture. At the center, you confirm your identity and check the demographic details displayed. This prevents errors later. Next, fill the biometric update form and consent to the update so the operator can initiate capture. You will get an OTP on your mobile, so enter it promptly. The technician will capture fingerprints and slash or iris scans, showing a live preview. Watch the preview and cooperate. Adjust finger pressure or angle as instructed. Once capture succeeds, the operator saves the biometric record. When the process ends, you must collect the acknowledgement slip that contains the URN. This is your proof and tracking code. Once you have it, expect processing within the stated window. Make sure to keep the receipt for the fee. After 7 to 10 days, check status online or call the helpline using the URN. If there's no URN issued or captures repeatedly fail, ask to see a supervisor right away so they can reattempt capture or provide next.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.